Today in this Camtasia tutorial I will show you how to speed up or slow down a video in Camtasia Studio, and actually that's pretty simple. So what you have to do, just add a video on the timeline right here, and now select the video by clicking once on it, and now let's right click on the video. Now if you select add clip speed and drag it to the left, you will speed up a video. Let's see how the video now behaves. Okay, now it's much faster. Let's do it again, make it faster. Okay, now it's something. What if we go to 12x, 13x, let's see. Okay, now it's much faster. And if you want to remove the speed, what you have to do, click once on the video, right click and remove clip speed, and now the video it's at original speed. One thing which will help you when you add speed, it's 1x speed. This is the original, and pay attention at that clip speed. If you do it like that, you'll see 2x, okay, 3x and 4x. And if you want to add speed later on, what you have to do, you'll see this pointing up arrow, click on it, and you'll find here the clip speed effect, and you will have to do the same thing, drag it. When you're done, click somewhere else, and after that, if you want to get back to the clip speed, click that pointing up arrow and you'll find the clip speed right here. So this is how to speed up a video, but what about slowing down a video? Well, it's the same thing, right click, add clip speed, but instead of shortening the video, you will have to increase the length, okay? So you can pay attention at clip speed 1x, okay, 0.8, 0.7, and 0.5. Let's have a look at 0.5. Okay, now it's much slower. Let's decrease the speed even more. I think at 0.2. Let's have a look. Okay, now it's much slower. And one thing which you'll have to keep in mind, as many frames as you have, the smoother it will run at when you add greater slow motion effect. So this is how to speed up a video or how to slow-mo a video inside Camtasia Studio. I hope this video helped you out, and I hope you have a great day.